Let's take a look at how to measure tear strength. In short, tear strength measures the material's resistance to tearing. The test can be used to predict the point of failure when a product is in service. At Star Thermoplastics, we use the tear test data for the resin comparison and technical data sheets. It is one of 5 physical tests we perform that is used in a variety of industries. It is performed by placing the test specimen in a testing machine that measures the applied force at break. Here at Star Thermoplastics, we follow the ASTM D624 standard testing method for tear strength of conventional vulcanized rubber and thermoplastic elastomers. Before we get started, let's make sure we have everything. Our universal testing machine, plaques that have cooled for 24 hours, a die with the correct press shape, eye protection, clean testing area, and something to write on. You should familiarize yourself with all of the parts and functions of the Instron testing machine. Emergency stop button, computer, crossheads, manual controls, and the upper and lower limit stoppers. And here is the load cell and the grippers to the test specimen. Generally, there are 2 types of machines, one that has mechanical grips and the other has pneumatic grips assisted by gas pressure. Let's get started. Step 1. Carefully align the test plaques under the die and pull the lever arm with constant force. Repeat twice and discard the waste. Step 2. Return to the lab and open the Instron Blue Hill testing program. Select Test to begin. Select the standard tear test from the list of available options. Enter the name of the sample and click Next. Step 3. Gently pulling the grip handles forward to loosen the grips, place the test specimen between the grip and the plate evenly. Repeat on the other side. Step 4. Click Balance All. This will preset the machine before beginning the test. You may press Start on the right side of the screen once it is available. The test will begin. As the test starts, the grips will separate and the program will simultaneously chart the data in real time. Step 5. Once the piece breaks or exceeds the limits of the machine, the test will finish. The computer will remind you to remove the specimen and initiate the crossheads to return by clicking OK. If the material exceeds the limit of the machine, it will trigger the upper limit and you will be notified. Using the manual controls, lower the crosshead and then select Return for them to lower to their original positions. Don't worry, your data is still intact. Step 6. Repeat the previous 3 steps for a total of 3 test runs. If you see an anomaly, please contact your supervisor. Step 7. After completing 3 rounds of tests and allowing the crossheads to return to their resting position, you can select Print and then Finish. The results will automatically save. If you have another sample to test, you may do it now by selecting Yes. If not, select No. Do not save changes to the method. Select No. We've gathered a few tips to help you be successful. Tip 1. Use test plaques that have cured for 24 hours. Tip 2. Keep your hands clear of the die as the edge is very sharp. Never leave the handle forward because it could be harmful to other people. Tip 3. In the event the test specimen gets stuck, never grab from below. Carefully poke it out of the die from above. Tip 4. Always allow the machine to return to rest mode before printing and finishing the test. Tip 5. In the event the material is too hard or too slippery, pneumatic grips can be a better option. To use them, place the material centered in the upper grip and flip the toggle to close the grip. Repeat on the bottom. When finished, flip the toggle switch to release the sample. Ask your supervisor for assistance with the gas. Now you try.